All of my heart is in Havana. There's something about his manners. Havana, you didn't walk up with that, how you doing? When he came in, he said there's a lot of girls I can do it, but I can't wait. I'll do him forever in a minute. That's on my night. And Tyler says he got Milo in him. He got me feeling like ooh. I knew it when I met him. I loved him when I left him. Got me feeling like ooh. And then I had to tell him I had to go. Oh na 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 na. Havana, na na. Half of my heart is in Havana, na na. He took me back to East Atlanta, na na na. All of my heart is in Havana. My heart is in Havana, Havana, na na.
Now everybody sing that shit. Now everybody sing that shit. Johnny always lock a nigga down, knowing damn well we don't wanna still box like Manny Pacquiao. Little nigga Mayweather size, ride like Pac in his prime, thug like Fist now on radar. Till a federal come through in radars, reminiscing when the LA radars was in my home. Snapback fitted on my uncle's dome. Snapback fitted, snapback fitted, snapback fitted on my uncle's dome. Snapback fitted, snapback fitted, snapback fitted on my uncle's dome. Snapback fitted, snapback fitted, snapback fitted on my uncle's dome. Snapback fitted, snapback fitted, snapback fitted on my uncle's dome. And I don't condone dick riding, I'm addicted to West Side. Living in a city where the skinny niggas die and a semi-bullet fly, but it turned me to a lion, trying. And I mean that shit. Game came through, put the city on his back. I was in the city when a nigga had seen that shit. Compton, a nigga gotta scream that shit. Never went commercial, never TV screened that shit. Came black or screen 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 that shit. Now everybody sing 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 that shit. I'm addicted to West Side, living in the city where the skinny niggas dying. The semi-really fly with it, turn me to a lion, trying. And I mean that shit. Came through, put the city on his back. I was in the city when a nigga had seen that shit. Sing that shit, scream that shit. Never for commercial, never TV screen that shit. King Black Horse, scream that shit. Black Horse, scream that shit. King Black Horse, King Black Horse, King Black Horse, scream that shit. King Black Horse, scream that shit. Now everybody sing that shit. Now everybody sing that shit.